How to get Meta verified. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to get Meta verified on Instagram, you can join the waitlist of Meta verification. This is introduced by Instagram recently. First and foremost, tap on the Instagram icon and then log in using your credentials. Tap on your profile on the bottom right and then tap on the hamburger icon on the top right. Here you will see Meta verified option. Tap on it. Before joining the waitlist, make sure to check all the Meta verified eligibility requirements. Tapping on the link should take you to another page from where you can check the eligibility requirements. Once you have confirmed all the eligibility requirements, you can now join the waitlist. If not, you can make sure to confirm all of the requirements are met. After you join the waitlist, tap on the OK button and you will be verified or notified whenever the progress is on. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.